Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Franklin Hassey, and today on my channel I'm going to talk about how to use certain apps for an Apple phone user, which is an iPhone user, and a Windows laptop user. So an app that can help you to transfer files from your iPhone to your Windows laptop, and then vice versa. Without much ado, the first thing we have to look at is go to google.com or go to your Chrome and type in 3UTOOLS, and on your 3UTOOLS the first thing you see, or the first link you see, is 3u.com. Click on it and go straight to download, and then download will download your file for you. And when you are done downloading, so you go straight to your downloads, then to your 3UTOOLS that you have downloaded, the setup, and double click. Okay, then you go to yes to this, then this appears. Okay, already our agreement has been already checked for us, and we are going to do a custom install. Okay, so that we'll be able to use everything as normal as it will be. Okay, so you go straight and click on install, so that we can be able to install the 3U2 apps on our Windows machine. And this will actually help us to use the iPhone and then our Windows laptop very well, where we'll be able to share files through each other. And this will really take some little time. Okay, all right, we are 53, and probably by some few seconds more should be able to be done with the 3U2 files. Okay, you're really going to enjoy this, and this software actually makes or have the platform where we'll be able to use it without any complications. Okay, it's already installed, then quick to launch. All right, okay, so our app is already installed, and we have been asked to actually install what's the name, iTunes. Okay, but for now we are not interested to install that now. Okay, so we just go straight to cancel it, and then connect our iOS device, and I use iPhone 7, so iPhone 7 is connected. Okay, so it says timeout, so we have to check if any service is connected. All right, so we can go back, can remove, we need to remove and reconnect our device again. Okay, we have a little problem here. So, and sometimes when you are actually trying to install, and after installing you connect your device and it's still not connecting, the best you can do is to go to repairs. Okay, repairs, and then you click on it, then there's this repair option here. Over here, I've already done mine, so sorry for that. Then you click on repair. Okay, with that one you'll be able to download the drivers needed for this particular one. Okay, so when you are done, then you should be able to repair automatically. After the repairs of your drivers, okay, this is what pops in when you connect your phone. Okay, so you only have to come to okay here. All right, you can also choose the other way around. Okay, so as I said earlier on, I was using the iPhone 7 128 gig, and these are the informations about the phone. Okay, so you can click on any of them to see which actual information. I'm using iOS version 14. It's a jailbroken machine, it's no, and then activated yes. Okay, the product iPhone 9, 3, and the rest. Okay, you're not going there right now. So when you come right to my left down, okay, over here we have the backup or the restore part, where you'll be able to click to back up your machine. Okay, when you click on it, it should be able to send it to where you want to back up. Okay, so you can back up using this app. You can also do AirPlay, you can make a ringtone. You know, iPhone doesn't, you can hardly get how do you call it, a ringtone on your iPhone. Okay, there are a lot of ringtones, but you can customize your own ringtone. Okay, now when you click on the ringtone, then you import your um, music from your PC over here. Okay, as I've clicked on. All right, so this is actually leading me to where I can get my music, but I'm not really going to go into that one right now. Okay, so let's just keep it cool over there. Yeah, so you cancel that here. All right, you can also stop iOS updates. Okay, when you want to update, I can also stop it. Yeah, and then transfer data, and then the transfer data have from your old Android phone to your old or from your old Apple phone. Okay, and it's vice versa. Okay, we really talk about what happens when you're moving from an Android phone to an iPhone, or when you're moving from an iPhone to an Android phone, the things you need or what you need to know about all those stuff. Okay, that will be a next time video. Okay, let me know in the comment box what actually will be needed over there. All right, then we have more of that. Okay, when you come here, there's a lot of things you can do with this app. Okay, we can talk of visual location, raw screen time, erase all data, skip setup, items, a whole lot you can do with this 3UTOOLS app. Okay, but before that, let's just move back to our device over here. Okay, so this, you click on apps, and then I'm using about 44 apps. Okay, I have 44 downloaded apps, and you can scroll through all of them over here. Okay, this all I have, all the apps I have over here. Yeah, so the ones you need, okay, you just come here and use it. Okay, it depends on what you want to do, and I'll be showing you how you can be able to use one. Okay, all right, then you come here for your photos, and now with your photos you should be able to know how you can import and also export your photos. Okay, for instance, if I want to import a photo from the laptop, okay, I'll just come and click on import photo, and is it in a file or is it a folder? How do I want to import it? Okay, so maybe it's a file, so I click on file, and also there's no any photo actually on this laptop. Okay, then you click on the photo, or you look for your location where you want to actually send your photo. Okay, and what if I want to send it from my phone, okay, to the laptop? How do you manage that one too? How do you send a picture or video from your phone to the laptop? Okay, if it's a video, you click over here, choose the video you want or the photo. So probably I'm picking this photo over here, or this video, there is 13 seconds video, and click on export. Okay, this is the export part over here, and I click on the export. Now it's showing me where do I actually wanted to export my picture to, okay, or my video to. Okay, so I probably want it to be on the drive I over here, so I click on drive I and click on OK. Okay, it's exported. Did you get it? All right, and let's see, we open folder, and that is our picture right over there. You can also get it from there. All right, okay, then we can also try to create a new folder. Okay, make a new folder, the down button there, next or opposite okay, you can also create a new folder and export your pictures over there. Okay, now these are your music. Okay, in this music side, you can be able to import music from your phone, from the laptop onto your phone. Okay, so it's the same format that we use as in that of the pictures, how you import pictures. Okay, it's the same format. Ringtone, as I've talked about that, you can be able to create and uncreate. Okay, good. And there's a new, I created one ringtone, which is King Promise Sisan. Then we also have, I can play it right here, which is this one. Okay, all right, so that is it. And I've also made another one here, which is Best Friends, yeah, by Olive, which I can also play right here. Okay, all right, yeah, so those are the customized ringtones I was actually having. Okay, you can also come here for videos. Okay, but videos actually are about videos you have on your phone. Okay, and it's also just general as that of the apps, okay, or your photos. So you only have here, and then click on install the video apps you need, the N player, the O player, the AV player, all the video stuffs. Okay, when you install them, you should be able to exchange videos from your phone to your your laptop. Okay, books as well, you can try your ebooks over here, good, or your iBooks, sorry, your iBooks rather. UDIX is about those OTGs you have, your then your data files and files, okay, your data and then your files you have on your, you can exchange things easily with this. Okay, there's one thing I would like you to know, that when you come to the apps over here, you can be able to what update. Okay, I have about 9 updates to make on my phone. So with the data connection on my phone and then on the computer, I should be able to what update my apps with the phone. Okay, so generally, aside on our left panel, okay, which shows the info, the apps, the photos, the music, the ringtones, the videos, books, UDIX, data files, and common tools. The common tools is about the tools we already have. Okay, the tools we need. Okay, making the ringtone, accessibility, deleting, validating, and updating IPCC and the rest. Okay, clean garbage stuffs on your phone, things that are not needed. Okay, aside those left pan things we have here, from info to the common tools, you can also navigate on this platform or with this app. Okay, let me actually enlarge it so that we can all see it good. All right, you can also use the apps over here. Okay, you want to download app from your app store. Okay, you just come here, the app store logo at the top over here. Okay, so what is new in 3UTOOLS here? So these are some very good apps we have over here. So you should be able to go through this and download some apps onto your phone. Are you getting it? All right, then you can also have the RT and P. It's all about music. Okay, and then Flash and JP are also there, just like you want to flash your phone. Okay, this is one important thing you all need to know over here. But before that, the RT and WP are about musics you have on your phone. Okay, so these are the musics I have on my phone, and the ones I can download and the ones I can play and the rest. Okay, when you come to the Flash and the JP, it's about you being able to break jail your phone. You'll be able to flash your phone. Okay, this is a whole lot we need to go into. Okay, so let me know under the comment box over there if I should really go into this the more. Okay, you can flash your phone over here, you can flash your iTunes, Pro Flash, multiple flash. This app is super good. Okay, you can use it to flash iPhone. Okay, for instance, you've forgotten your iCloud, you've forgotten your password, you've forgotten your whatever, you can make your phone a whole brand new again. All right, okay, then you can also move to your toolbox. The toolbox I've already showed you. Okay, now we also have the new one here, the using your earpiece aside over here. It's also cool. Then tutorials about how you want to use the app. Okay, so this app is free at 3u.com. Okay, you can go there, or you just go to Google and type 3UTOOLS, and then you should be able to get access to the app for free. And it uses, it's just awesome. The app is just very awesome. All right, you can download with it everything you can do on your phone. You can basically do it on what on the laptop as well. Yeah, the last thing before we go, I would like to talk about how you can share files like books or any other thing. Okay, on your phone you need to download an app we call Total. Okay, some of you know about Total. Okay, then when you come to your laptop, you navigate through your apps. Okay, then you look for the Total over here. Okay, you click on view over here. This is the view here, you click on it. So this is actually showing the documents I have on my phone. Okay, so maybe I wanted to share an assignment. Okay, these are my assignments here. I just click here, import or export or whatever I want to do, or I want to add a new folder. So this way you should be able to access things from your phone and your laptop, or exchange data or informations with your phone and then your laptop. And this is an awesome thing you can do with this app. I'll be leaving the link of the app under my YouTube channel. Just go there, click and download and use, and this is it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment to this